everyone. I am K. Clement, pursuing final year BCom at Seshajipuram Degree College, Mysuru. Now I am going to solve a problem on sets from quantitative techniques. Let's solve it. Before solving the problem, we should know 5 important operations of set which is very essential to solve the problem. That is, union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, complement of sets and product of sets. Let's go through it. Union of set. A set which is made of elements from 2 or more sets is called a union of set. For example, A set has 1, 2, 3 elements and B set has 2, 3, 4 elements. So union of set in the sense we have to write all together at once. That is, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Section of set. A set contains common elements of 2 different sets is called the intersection of set. Example, set A has 1, 2, 3 elements and B has 2, 3, 4 elements. What is the common between these 2 sets? 2 and 3 is common. So intersection means the common elements among 2 different sets. So A intersection B is equal to 2 and 3. Next, difference of set. The difference of 2 sets written A minus B is a set containing the elements of set A which are not in set B, and B minus A is a set containing the elements of set B which are not in set A. Difference of set means we have to not take the common between these 2 different sets. We have to take the difference of set. For example, the element which are in set A but not in set B. So 1 and 2 is in set A but not in set B. And B minus A is equal to the elements which are in set B but not in set A. Here we have 5 and 6 in set B but not in set A. Next, complement of set. The complement of set A is a set containing the elements which are found in U but not in set A. Example, if universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set A as 1, 2, 3, we have to not consider the set A in the universal set, but we have to write the remaining elements from the universal set. So that is called the complement. Now A complement is 4, 5 and 6 because set A as 1, 2, 3 and universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write the remaining 4, 5, 6 as complement. Next, product of set. Product of set is nothing but set of all the orderly pairs with first element from the first set and first element from the second set and so on. Example, if set A has 1 and 2 element and set B has 3 and 4 element, we have to orderly pair these two sets. That is, A into B is equal to first element from the first set and first element from the second set. Next, first element from the first set, second element from the second set. Next, second element from the first set and first element from the second set. And at last, second element from the first set and second element from the second set. So these are the operations of sets. Now we are going to solve a problem. I'll read out the question for you. If U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A is equal to A, B, C, D, B is equal to C, D, E, F and C is equal to A, C, F. Here we have 4 sub-questions to prove. Let us solve one by one. First question, A intersection B minus C is equal to A intersection B minus A intersection C. Here we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. What is left hand side? A intersection B minus C. First let us solve the B minus C, that is B difference C. We have 2 different sets, that is set B and set C. For set B, C, D, E, F is the element and for set C, A, C, F is the element. First let us solve this difference. The difference between these 2 sets is D and E because CF is the common among these 2 sets. So the difference is D and E. Now let us intersect with A. A, B, C, D intersection D, E. What is the common among these sets? D is the common. So this is LHS. Now let's solve RHS. A intersection B minus A intersection C. First we will solve A intersection B. A, B, C, D intersection C, D, E, F. What is the common among these sets? C and D is common. You have to write the minus symbol as it is and later we can solve it. So next A intersection C. What is the common among A intersection C? A and C is common. Now we have to find out the difference. D is the difference between these two sets. So we have proven that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, A intersection B minus C is equal to A intersection B minus A intersection C is proved. Next question. A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. We will solve left hand side first. A minus B intersection C. First, we'll find what is B intersection C. C, D, E, F intersection A, C, F. What is the common among these two sets? C and F is common. So, let us find out the difference between A minus B intersection C. We have found out B intersection C as C and F. Now, we have to make difference among these two sets. C is common between these sets and A, B and D is the remaining elements we have to write in LHS. Next, we will solve RHS. A minus B union A minus C. We will solve each separately. A minus B. A, B, C, D minus C, D, E, F. Here, C and D is common between these two sets and A, B is the remaining element. Next, union you have to write as it is. And A minus C we will solve. A, B, C, D minus A, C, F. A and C is common thing. The remaining element is B and D. So let us make it as union set. A, B, D is the union set. We got left hand side and right hand side is equals. So hence A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C is proved. Next question. A union bracket A complement intersection B is equal to A union B. As usual, we will prove LHS first and then RHS. What is LHS? A union bracket A complement intersection B. What is complement? The common elements from both the sets should be eliminated and the remaining elements in universal set is called complement. In set A, B, C, D is the element and universal set contains A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A, B, C, D is common in both the sets and eliminate the common sets and write the remaining sets which is E, F, G. Let us intersect with set B. Set B contains C, D, E, F. What is common among these two sets? E, F is common. Now let us unite this set with set A. A, B, C, D union E, F. So LHS is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Next we'll solve RHS. A union B. A set contains A, B, C, D elements union. Set B contains C, D, E, F. What is the union among these sets? A, B, C, D, E, F. So our LHS and RHS is equal. So hence A union complement A intersection B is equal to A union B is proved. Our last question is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Here for LHS A union B complement. First we'll prove what is A union B and then we'll complement with the universal set. What is A union B? Set A contains A, B, C, D union. Set B contains C, D, E, F. What is the union of these two sets? A, B, C, D, E, F. So the remaining element is G. That is we have complement with the universal set that is G. Next we'll solve RHS. RHS is equal to A complement intersection B complement. We have to solve both the complements separately. So what is A complement? Set A contains A, B, C, D. Universal set contains A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So set A is A, B, C, D and the remaining element should be written. E, F, G is the remaining elements. Next, we have to intersect this with the B complement. Set B contains C, D, E, F. So the remaining element in the universe is A, B, G. We have to intersect these two sets so we get G as common. So our LHS and RHS is equal. Hence we have proved that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is the end of the problem. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.